You searched how to buy shares of Chemometec A/S. Chemometec is a Danish life science instruments company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CHEM. CO. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker CHEM.CO to locate Chemometec. Make sure you select the listing that shows CBOE EU to find the correct asset. Open the stock page to review basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the exchange and ticker display CBOE EU and CM.CO so you have the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review order details such as order type, estimated fees, and execution conditions before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to visit the platform and learn more.